Hello friends, is your car acting weird, flickering lights, stalling, or sluggish acceleration? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0561, your car's system voltage is unstable. This issue can cause random electrical failures, poor fuel economy, and even leave you stranded. In this video, I'll explain what P0561 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0561 code stands for System Voltage Unstable. Your car's battery, alternator, and voltage regulator ensure a steady electrical supply. If the engine control module detects fluctuating voltage, it triggers code P0561. This can cause misfires, weak acceleration, and even sudden shutdowns while driving. Common symptoms of P0561: check engine light is on dimming or flickering headlights, unstable RPMs or rough idling, loss of power or engine stalling, radio, AC, or dashboard lights malfunctioning, battery warning light on dashboard. If you have these issues, let's find the problem. To diagnose P0561, check these key components: battery, location, usually in the engine bay, sometimes in the trunk for some luxury or hybrid models; alternator, location, bolted to the engine, connected via the serpentine belt; voltage regulator built into the alternator in most cars; location, inside or attached to the alternator; powertrain control module or engine control module; location, near the fuse box, firewall, or under the dashboard; battery cables and ground wires; location, connected to the battery terminals and grounding points on the chassis. Tip: voltage fluctuations can damage other electrical systems, so fixing P0561 early is important. Common causes of P0561 failing alternator. If it can't generate stable voltage, the system becomes unstable. Weak or dying battery. Old batteries can't hold a charge properly. Faulty voltage regulator can cause overcharging or undercharging. Loose or corroded battery cables. Interrupts power flow, causing fluctuations. Bad ground connection. Weak grounding can create unstable voltage readings. PCM/ECM issues. If the computer misreads voltage, it can trigger P0561. How to fix P0561? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0561 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the battery voltage with a multimeter. Should be 12.6V when off, 13.814.8V when running. Step 3. Check the alternator output while the engine is running. If it's below 13V or above 15V, the alternator may be bad. Step 4. Inspect battery terminals and cables for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Step 5. Check the voltage regulator inside the alternator for failure. Step 6. Inspect and test the ECM/PCM if other solutions don't work. Ignoring P0561 can lead to battery failure, erratic driving behavior, and costly repairs. Fixing it early keeps your car running smoothly and reliably. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0370, timing reference high-resolution signal, A malfunction, P0371, timing reference signal A intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.